Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most incredible and essential places on our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Known as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon is much more than just a dense forest. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that plays a crucial role in our planet's health and climate. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the wonders, the wildlife, and the challenges facing the Amazon rainforest today. The Amazon rainforest, often simply called the Amazon, is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning an impressive 5.5 million square kilometers or about 2.1 million square miles. It covers parts of 9 South American countries, Brazil, which contains about 60% of the forest, Peru, Colombia, and smaller portions in Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon is often referred to as the world's most important rainforest, and it's not hard to see why. But what makes the Amazon so special? For starters, it houses around 10% of all known species on Earth, making it the most biodiverse place on the planet. It's home to more than 400 billion individual trees representing about 16,000 different species, including the iconic kapok tree, rubber tree, and Brazil nut tree. The Amazon is also the source of the mighty Amazon River, the world's largest river by discharge volume, which winds its way through the heart of the forest, spanning over 4,000 miles. The history and formation of the Amazon. Now, let's go back in time. The Amazon rainforest is believed to have formed during the Eocene period, around 55 million years ago, after the ancient Gondwana supercontinent split apart. As South America drifted away, the climate became warm and wet, setting the stage for the lush, dense vegetation we see today. The forest itself has gone through many changes over the millennia, shaped by climatic shifts, natural events, and even the activities of ancient human civilizations. Evidence suggests that humans have lived in the Amazon for at least 11,000 years. Early inhabitants not only adapted to the challenging environment but also managed it sustainably, cultivating various plants like manioc, maize, and sweet potatoes, which are still fundamental to the region's diet today. The Amazonian people developed complex societies and built monumental earthworks, a testament to their ingenuity and harmony with nature. The wildlife of the Amazon. Let's dive into the incredible wildlife that calls the Amazon home. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. It's home to an estimated 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of plants, and around 2,000 birds and mammals. Let's talk about some of the most iconic animals of the Amazon. First, we have the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, known for its powerful build and ability to swim. Jaguars are apex predators in this ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of prey populations. Then there's the harpy eagle, one of the world's most powerful birds of prey. With its massive claws, which can be as large as a grizzly bear's, the harpy eagle can hunt monkeys, sloths, and other mammals that dwell in the forest canopy. We can't forget the Amazon river dolphins, also known as boto or pink river dolphins, a unique freshwater species that are believed to be among the most intelligent dolphins in the world. Their pink coloration and playful nature make them a beloved symbol of the Amazon. And let's not overlook the smaller but equally fascinating creatures, like the poison dart frog, whose vibrant colors warn predators of their toxicity, or the leafcutter ants, which are considered some of the most industrious creatures in the rainforest, cutting leaves to cultivate fungus, which serves as their food. The importance of the Amazon. Why is the Amazon so crucial to our planet? The answer lies in its unparalleled role in the global ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs an enormous amount of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate climate change. Its dense canopy regulates the global water cycle, releasing vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, which affects weather patterns not just in South America but across the globe. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the earth because it absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. It is estimated that the Amazon absorbs around 2.2 billion tons of CO2 per year. This natural process is vital for maintaining the Earth's atmospheric balance and slowing the effects of global warming. But the Amazon is more than just a carbon sink. It is a pharmacy in itself, offering numerous plants that have been used for centuries by indigenous communities for medicinal purposes. Many modern medicines, such as quinine for treating malaria, have origins in the Amazon. The indigenous people of the Amazon. Speaking of indigenous communities, the Amazon rainforest is home to over 400 indigenous groups, including the Yanomami, Kayapo, and Ashaninka. These communities have lived in the Amazon for thousands of years, and they play a critical role in preserving its biodiversity. Their knowledge of the forest, passed down through generations, is invaluable. They understand the delicate balance required to maintain this vast ecosystem, and use sustainable practices that allow them to live in harmony with nature. Unfortunately, these communities are often at the forefront of the struggle to protect the Amazon from deforestation, mining, and other forms of exploitation. Despite their efforts, they face significant threats from illegal logging, land grabbing, and industrial encroachment, which we will discuss shortly. The threats to the Amazon. Now, let's address the darker side of the Amazon's story, the threats it faces. The Amazon rainforest is under constant threat from human activities. Deforestation is the biggest and most visible threat. It is estimated that we lose about 18 million hectares of forest every year, equivalent to 27 soccer fields every minute. This destruction is primarily driven by agriculture, logging, mining, and infrastructure development. Slash and burn agriculture, where trees are cut down and burned to clear land for farming, is a significant contributor to deforestation. Soybean farming and cattle ranching are particularly destructive, with the Amazon serving as the world's largest beef producer and one of the largest suppliers of soybeans. Mining for gold and other minerals also takes a heavy toll. Mercury used in gold extraction contaminates rivers, affecting aquatic life and communities that depend on the water. Illegal logging continues to devastate large areas of the rainforest, often in protected areas or indigenous territories. Then there's the impact of climate change. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns are causing droughts, increasing the risk of wildfires and affecting the natural water cycles of the forest. These changes have the potential to transform parts of the rainforest into savanna, a process known as savannization. This would drastically reduce the forest's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, further accelerating global warming. Conservation efforts and future of the Amazon. While the challenges facing the Amazon are immense, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway on multiple fronts. Governments, international organizations, NGOs, and local communities are all working to protect this invaluable resource. Protected areas and national parks have been established, covering about 50% of the Amazon, to safeguard key regions from deforestation and development. Many indigenous groups are leading the fight to protect their lands, often risking their lives to defend the forest from illegal activities. Their efforts are supported by global campaigns and organizations that advocate for their rights and the protection of the Amazon. New technologies are also playing a role in conservation efforts. Satellite monitoring, drones, and AI-based tools are helping track illegal activities in real time, enabling quicker responses from authorities. Sustainable development initiatives, such as ecotourism, sustainable harvesting of forest products, and promoting alternative livelihoods, are also gaining traction, aiming to provide economic benefits without harming the rainforest. What can we do to help? So, what can we do to help save the Amazon rainforest? The most significant impact comes from raising awareness and advocating for policies that protect this vital ecosystem. Supporting organizations that work on the ground to protect the Amazon, advocating for sustainable practices, and being conscious consumers by choosing products that are certified sustainable or deforestation-free can all make a difference. We can also reduce our carbon footprint by opting for a plant-based diet, reducing waste, and supporting renewable energy initiatives. Every small action counts when it comes to protecting our planet.